everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes onto your skin, it is very important for you to exfoliate your skin. The exfoliating process helps your skin to look healthier and fresher. Not only that, when you exfoliate your skin, it helps to get rid of the dead skin cells on the skin, it helps to clear hyperpigmentation, and it will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Today I'm going to share a natural remedy with you. This remedy has vitamin C, which are known to clear pigmentation. It also have exfoliating properties in the form of brown sugar. I use this remedy on my skin on a regular, and it have to keep my skin so clear and so fresh. So if you're looking for a remedy with fast result, a remedy that can help to transform your skin in 7 days, well, guess what? This one is for you. So continue watching. Our first ingredient is tomato, and this is readily available in most of your kitchen. Tomato we use for sandwiches, we use it for pasta, we use it for a wide variety of dishes in the kitchen. However, when it comes onto the skin, it is rich in vitamin C. It contains lycopene. It is great for clearing dark spots and blemishes on the skin. If your skin is looking a little dull, this is a quick pick-me-up. So what I'm going to be doing with this tomato, I am going to be blending it to a puree. You can also choose to just rub tomato on your face to get rid of the grease, especially if you have oily skin. Tomato will also help to nourish and refreshes the skin. Can also be used as a facial toner. So grab your tomato, and any tomato will do for this recipe. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be chopping it in small pieces for easier blending. Now, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can grate this tomato. All we need is the juice from the tomato. So once the tomato is chopped, guess what? We're going to put it aside and we're going to move on to our next ingredient. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have a very ripe and overripe banana. Banana, guys, is amazing for the skin, especially when you're getting on in age and those little spots, those little small warts start creeping up all over your face. This will help to get rid of them really quick. But most importantly, banana will have to hydrate the skin. It helps the skin to be soft and supple, and it is also good for clearing those pigmentation. So when you mix the tomato with the banana, it's going to give you an amazing remedy for not only getting rid of dead skin cells, but clearing hyperpigmentation, getting rid of small warts, get rid of the grease from the skin, oily skin, you name it. Amazing. So I'm going to chop the banana in small pieces for easier blending, just like the tomato. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take both the tomato and the banana, and I'm going to reach for my small blender, and we are going to place this in the blender. Now, once this is done, we're not going to add any liquid to this. The tomato is going to produce the juice, and now we are going to blend to a puree, and we are going to blend well. If you grate the tomato, go ahead, mash that banana and mix the two together. Okay, so let's blend. Now, once this is done, we are going to pour this in a small bowl. So let's pour this in. And you're going to notice that you might have a bit of a lump. Do not worry, since we're using this as an exfoliator. And now we are going to set this aside and move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is sugar. And today my sugar of choice is brown sugar. Brown sugar is a bit softer than the white sugar. However, if you only have white sugar, go ahead and use that. You can also choose to use some blended rice or coffee to replace the brown sugar. Now, sugar is rich in glycolic acid. It's amazing for clearing dead skin cells, getting rid of grease and dirt from the skin. Sugar will also have to get rid of those large pores by cleaning the pores out And if you use this as an exfoliator on your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week, it will leave your skin just looking fresh, clear, and brighter. So go ahead and whip out your sugar. Most of you will have some form of a sugar in your pantry. Now I'm gonna reach for my measurement, and I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. If you're using rice, coffee, or even white sugar, go ahead and use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. This is what we're using for our granules, which is gonna help to get rid of the dead skin cells and the grease and dirt from the skin. Now once this is done, we're gonna reach back for our banana tomato mixture, and we are gonna add this to the small bowl with the sugar. I'm gonna use about 3 tablespoons of the banana mixture, and I'm gonna pour this in the bowl with the sugar. And now let's reach for our oil. We do not need a lot of oil in this, just a little pinch of oil. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Use oil of choice. You can use coconut, olive oil. You can even choose to use some avocado oil or some soy oil in this recipe. And once this is done, we are gonna mix, and we are gonna mix well. Now please do not add the liquid to the sugar until you are ready to use. So do not make this and put it away. You're gonna make it and use it right away. You're gonna use it to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times per week. Now, to get the best result from this facial scrub, you can choose to steam your face before. Grab your steamer, steam your face for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then grab this exfoliator and exfoliate your skin. You can also choose to exfoliate and steam at the same time. You choose. So go ahead and exfoliate for about 2 to 3 minutes. Your face, your neck, and décolleté. Focus on where you have like large pores, your forehead, and also your nose. And once this is done, you're gonna rinse, preferably with some cold water. Rinse, pat dry the skin, feel refreshed, and then go ahead and apply your favorite beauty products such as your toner, your serum, and your facial moisturizer.